In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Android. If you are tech savvy and you are often glued to your phone, you might have experienced the light rays affecting your eyesight. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to turn on dark mode in order to help reduce your eye strain. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Android homepage, navigate to the setting gear. In my case, I have it located here, so I'll proceed to tap on it. On this interface, I'll scroll down until I locate display and tap on it. So I have a tons of options. I can increase the brightness, the out mode option, and the dark mode. Since I want to turn on the dark mode, I'll proceed to toggle the dark mode on. So I have the option to turn on now or turn on as scheduled. So what the turn on now means, immediately I toggle this on, the phone will go into dark mode. And the turn on as scheduled, I can then make a time schedule from which the device will either be in the dark mode or the light mode. So let's say, for instance, in the daytime, if I want it to be in the light mode, I'll maintain it in the light mode in the daytime, and in the evening it will turn automatically into the dark mode. So whichever option best works for you, you can pick the choice here. In my case, I want to turn it on now, so I'll proceed to toggle this on, and that's it. You have successfully turned on the dark mode on your Android device. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.